So, gonna take it out again. I'm gonna put it in. Okay, it feels firm. It's almost in there. You might think it's in, but it's not. You need to take one hand, hold on the side of the graphics card, and click. There we go. So there's a click. There's an audible click noise that happens with it. I'll repeat it again for you guys. This is going to be a short video on how to connect the 16 power pin connector to the RX 9070 XT. And this is the ASRock Taichi OC model that I have here. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I saw an article on WCCF Tech saying that one had been melted. Now, I don't know if that's user error or there's a problem with the power connector itself, but let's go ahead and see how to plug it in properly, and we'll address some stuff soon. So when you take the pin out, to wiggle it and get it out. Now have a look and inspect your pins, that there is no melting on there as well. Have a look. Mine looks clean there. So I want to show you guys on the 16 power connector here, there's a little latch. So this latch needs to click into the graphics card. So you see it moves slightly if I press the back. I suspect, I don't know if people are or are not putting this in properly. So I've had one user comment on my channel that this might not be going in properly. So let's show you how to do it. So I'm going to zoom up a little bit. I'm going to put it in. Cool, and now it feels firm in there, but it's not completely in there. It's not 100% in. This actually needs to click, so there will be a click noise when it's fully in. Now I'm going to take my microphone off. I'm going to put it right next to the graphics card, right over here, so you guys can hear it. Now I'll sound a little bit further away now, but I want to show you guys what it sounds like. So, I'm going to take it out again. I'm going to put it in. Okay, it feels firm. It's almost in there. You might think it's in, but it's not. You need to take one hand, hold on the side of the graphics card, and click. There we go. So there's a click. So we'll take it out one more time. It is a little bit difficult to get out. Cool. And we're going to click it in. Cool. So we're not done. We need to... There we go. And there we go. It's fully in. It needs to be fully clicked in. There's an actual piece that I'll show you guys here. There is a clip that it needs to go over, and you need to fully click that in. Now additionally, the adapter, if you're using it like I am, you do need to make sure that all three are plugged in properly. See, like they're fully plugged in, and that they're plugged into your power supply as well. You shouldn't really have any issues with this, but it's the fact that it's popped up now is that we want to take precautions that everything is plugged in properly. You should also have a power supply that's able to keep up with your PC as well. So for example, I have a 1000 watt power supply, which is more than enough for me, and I could have easily done with a 850 watt power supply for my build. My power supply is also ATX 3.1, although I do believe ATX 3.0 should be fine. And personally, I am using the adapter instead of the 16 pin to 16 pin connector from the power supply to the graphics card. But the only reason I'm doing that is so I can swap out graphics cards. I think for now, just keep an eye out on this type of connector and hopefully it should be okay.